People wanted people. Are the luckiest people in the world. What children needing over children, and that bleeding of brine of pride, I don't need inside, acting more like children than children. Lovers are very special people. They the luckiest people in the world. With one person, one very special person, a feeling deep in your soul. Say you were of no you all. No more hunger thirst, but first be a person who needs people.